Hello and good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction to Adobe Animate CC, that is chapter 4. In this chapter we are going to discuss to start the Adobe Animate CC. So first of all, we all love watching animated movies and playing video games. But the first animation film was created in 1908 and it is produced an animation developed by the Emile Cole. So the first animation film was created in 1908. Today the technology has evolved a stage where a simple computer program helps you to create your own animation within few hours. So here we see on the screen the Adobe Animate Flash. Previously it is known as Flash software. It is created by and developed by the Adobe systems. So Adobe Animate CC is the rebranded version of the Adobe Flash. It gives you access to professional level drawing and animation tools so you can get the exact look you want from your work. So as you see in this animation about Adobe Animate, you see in this animation it can be used to create this type of animation in video games or in cartoon movies and in animations. With the help of Adobe Animate you can create these type of animations and using different types of images and makes different type of images in moving characters. ओके हम बहुत सारी इमेजेस को एक साथ मूव करके एड फिल्म्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वेबसाइट्स के लिए एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, वीडियो गेम्स के लिए जैसे ये दिख रहा है वीडियो गेम्स के लिए हम एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से बहुत सारे हमारे पास Adobe Animate हमें एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है जिसके थ्रू हम इस टाइप के एनिमेशन वीडियोस और एनिमेशन फिल्म्स और मूवीज क्रिएट कर सकते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ Adobe Animate. We can create the videos and animation films used in cartoons, advertisements, games and other interactive content to publish on platforms such as HTML5 Canvas, through Flash Player or any custom platforms such as Snap SVG. So these are the advantages of Adobe Animate CC. So let's first start the advantages of Adobe Animate CC. So in Adobe Animate CC you get these types of tools, okay, which you see on your screen. You get different types of tools, so such as brush tools, color tools, and there is a tools panel which you see on your screen, that is pencil tool, drawing tools, line tools, and we are all discuss these tools in our online classes also. Pen tool, rectangle tool, polystar tool and text tool, selection tools, okay, paint bucket tool. So there is a tools panel. In this also there you see a tools panel. In the Adobe Animate you get this tool panel, and from this tool panel you can select different types of tools. So Adobe Animate CC provide you a platform creating animated movies and games. Earlier this software was known as the Adobe Animate Flash. So the first advantage of Adobe Animate CC is here you see you get these types of brushes where you adjust it according to your requirement and use it in your animation. So the first advantage of Adobe Animate CC, it does not require any programming skills. It does not require any programming skills. You doesn't have to learn any programming language. Just click on that tool and use that tool and different images in your animation with the help of layers and symbols and frames. We will discuss these things in our videos further. Second is, it is easy to learn. So it is because of it is a GUI based software. All the tools and functions are given in the window, on the window, and you can get these tools on your screen. It enables you to create, third advantage is it enables you to create interactive movies for the web and other publishing media. And the fourth one is it is simple to use with easy controls. Control is on your screen. जितने भी controls हैं वो सारे on screen हमें ये सारे controls दिख रहे हैं. So you can get these controls on your screen. So just as you see, this is a image where you put this type of grass with the help of this brush tool. Okay, so in this you can see there is a fish in your image, and you can get the different types of images and paste it in your animation, use in your animation, and play according to your requirement. So it gives a platform to create all the animations and different types of images and tools which you can use to create animated movies and flashing images. So as you see GIF images also in your WhatsApp messages, GIF images आती हैं WhatsApp messages में, that will also be created with the help of these Adobe Animate CC. So first of all, how to create an Adobe Animate CC. So how to create an Adobe Animate CC. So let's see how to create an Adobe Animate CC. So this is the document window. When you open the Adobe Animate CC, you get this document window. So this screen which you see on your white screen which you see, this is called stage. Okay, so first go to the start button, then click on this Adobe Animate, and after this you get this welcome screen of Adobe Animate CC. Then this is the welcome screen of Adobe Animate CC. In the create new section, click on the ActionScript 3.0. A new document will open up. So this is the menu. On the top of the screen you see file, edit, view, insert, modify, text, commands, control, debug window. This is the menu, and this is the tools panel. Okay, these are the tools panel. This is the tools panel here. Okay, this is the tools panel, and these are the different types of tools which you use in your Adobe Animate. Then you can also click on the file menu, edit, view, and insert, modify, text, commands, control, debug, and window, where you get the properties panel and properties. This is the property panel. Here you see the properties panel. Here you see the properties panel, and next is the library panel. So this is the library panel. Okay, library panel. This is the library panel, and it is the frame view. Okay, it is the frame view. These are the frame view. I think this is, yes, this is the frame view. So this is the welcome screen of the Adobe Animate CC, and after that you can just create this animation as you see on your screen. Okay, so now the elements of the Animate CC interface. So as you see earlier, the menu bar, this is the menu bar where you use this menu bar. It contains the controls for common functions and commands such as opening, editing and saving the files. Okay, here you see you get the commands here, controls and all the other things. Then the stage you have see the white stage on your screen where you see to draw animation. Then the timeline is the area where the sequencing and timings of graphics and other elements of a movie are done. So we will discuss it further in our video. Tools panel, you have seen is the tools panel, then the properties panel and the library panel. Now setting documents property and the tools which we use. So this is all about the introduction of the Adobe Animate CC. Next we see is the drawing tools. So create new, click on the create new. Standard, character animation is standard, sample files, here you see this is an image of a puppy, and on this stage, this is the stage where you see the image of a puppy, and a variety of tools can be used for making the animation look attractive. So the different tools and panels is divided in 4 main parts, that is the tools area, view area, colors area and options area. So first let us see the line tool in the tools panel. So this is the tools panel where you see this line tool. Click on this. So this is a simple line which you draw on the Adobe Animate. Okay, simple tool. Then in the property inspector, here the properties, where you get the properties, I think in the view, your control properties, here is the property. You can stroke size, fill the stroke size, how the thickness of the brush. Suppose you set it on 30, then this brush becomes more thick. Okay, from the property. Okay, so as you set the property, so when you stroke size becomes 5, suppose you set the stroke size 5, then the brush line tool is less thick from this. Okay, so in this way, from the property you can save this, you can use this line tool, and to add a curve to a line, after drawing a line, click on the selection tool. Where is the selection tool? It is from the window, selection tool. Drag and drop tools. Selection tool. This is the selection tool, and selection tool move the pointer on the line. You suppose you have to make this curve line, so yes, in this way you can curve the line when the pointer changes to arrow with curve symbol. Okay, so in this way you can make a line curve here from this side to this side, or from this side to this side, just as like that. Okay, you can choose the selection tool and make the line curve. Okay, next is the pencil tool. This is the classic brush tool, and oval, rectangle, text, pen, bucket, eraser, pencil tool. As this is a trial version, so I think we have to search about the pencil tool. Suppose you take this brush tool and just with the help of this brush tool you can make any drawing on the stage, and you can also set the property of this brush tool as by smoothing it from different sizes, classic brush, then brush mode, paint normal, paint behind, paint selection, paint fills. In this way you can use this brush tool, set the properties of the brush tool. Similarly, you can use the pencil tool, strengthen, smooth, and ink mode. There are 3 different modes: strengthen, smooth, and ink mode of the pencil tool. Okay, then pen tool also given in the Adobe Animate, but in this version I think pen tool is not given here, and in the tool section you can choose these tools. Similarly, you see this rectangle tool, make a rectangle here, okay, make a rectangle here. rectangle tool. In the property inspector, go to the properties of this rectangle tool, and here you see the in the properties panel, rectangle with positive corner radius. So you can set here the corner radius of the your rectangle. Here you see the corner radius of this rectangle tool. You can just choose this style, and from normal, horizontal and vertical, object, okay, library, then properties, okay. By increasing the stroke value, the border of the rectangle become more thick, okay. In this way you choose this rectangle tool. Then this is the oval tool. You can also draw this oval with the help of this oval tool. Next is the text tool. So first you just erase all these, and you can choose the option of the eraser. You just erase all this with the help of eraser tool, okay. So this is the eraser tool. You can erase all these drawings which you use. So in this way you can use this eraser tool. This is the oval tool which you use to create an oval. So these are the tools which you use in your Adobe Animate CC. Then text tool. This is the text tool which you use in Adobe Animate CC. You just create a text right here. Right here your name, right here your name. Suppose you can go to the properties window, select the text, that is the static text, and you can also increase the size, regular, and then position, then vertical, horizontal, dynamic text, bold, and you can also So as you write hello and increase the size here, you can increase the size of the font. Hello, hello world. I am using Adobe Animate CC. Adobe Animate CC. In this way you can type here in the text tool with the help of the text tool, and selection tool. This is the selection tool. You want to select any selection tool. After that you can drag any items on the stage from here to there. Okay, so this is the selection tool. Drag the selected anchor point to create a desired path. Okay, so this is the selection which you create. Okay, then the coloring tools are the brush tool. This is the brush tool which we use in our Adobe Animate to brush any. You can set the go to the properties panel and set the size of the brush according to your requirement. Suppose you set here suppose the value 9, you can just use and choose the color to brush the image. So this is the brush tool which you use. Paint bucket tool, you can also choose this paint bucket tool. So this is the paint bucket tool which you want to paint, and choose the color. Suppose you choose this color, so it becomes, you can choose in this way. You can paint your image with the help of this paint bucket tool. Then eraser tool, you can use this eraser tool to erase this, and set from the property you erase the size of the eraser and just erase these images. Okay, with the help of eraser tool. Then the next topic is the transforming objects and grouping and ungrouping the objects. So in the next video we are discuss about the grouping and ungrouping the objects and importing graphics on the stage, and also to draw the object on the stage, and about what is the frames and symbols, and what is layers, and what is the use of animation, how we create the instances and timeline in our animation. So this is all about the introduction of Adobe Animate CC, and thanks for your watching the videos very carefully. If you have any confusion, you can ask me on online classes. Okay, so thanks for watching the video.